Hey everybody, I'm Implant Mike. I'm Dr. Mike Calderon. I am the director of the Long Island MaxiCourse and also the one and only Yomi robot on Long Island. If you guys come to the Long Island MaxiCourse, I'm in West Islip, Long Island, so you got to come and join me here. You really should be part of any MaxiCourse that you can reach. I obviously favor mine, but there are, I believe, 17 of us worldwide. And if you have the opportunity to join a MaxiCourse, they're all the same, but we offer a great deal more. All right, we are able to, and you should learn this, the use of PRF membranes. Okay, PRF is platelet-rich fibrin. Obviously, placement of implants, but not just any implant. All right, you have to learn several different systems. Right. So, in other words, I'm not sponsored by any company. I use different implants so you can get the best feel for it and see what you like. Bone grafting procedures is an absolute. Next is cadaver courses. Our course, we have a cadaver, we have specimens that come in, and we work with this. You need to learn this. Even if you're not taking a MaxiCourse, please take a cadaver course at least every 3 to 4 years if you want to do implants. Sinus lifts, that's something you would learn during our MaxiCourse also. And the way we do in our MaxiCourse here in Long Island, New York, what we do is we incorporate hands-on treatment with patients, right? So we treat patients on Sundays. You bring in a patient or I bring in my patient, and we should work together on that. The only way you're going to be able to do implants efficiently, properly, is by doing it with your own hands. Next, the implant course also. Our MaxiCourse doesn't only offer bone grafting and implants and soft tissue management. Of course, that's very important. Also photography. You have to document your programs. I'm sorry, your patients. So photography is a one-day thing. People think that's not important. It's so important. Suturing techniques, Botox. We include Botox in our program, and also facelift, PDO facelifts. We do all that with our cadavers. And I have also included in our MaxiCourse lip fillers, right? Because the better you become at implants, the better you make that patient feel about themselves, the better they're going to be in life. The more successful they are, the more they refer to you. Okay, so join us here at the MaxiCourse. Remember, every morning I start off with a cup of coffee, cup of Joe. Joe Cool, if you guys remember that from the 80s, it was Snoopy. But anyway, a cup of Joe every morning. Think about your day. Think about what you're going to do. Think about how it's going to end. Today, my day is ending with this message to you. Okay, be all you could be the best you can be. Everybody has a different level, and we have participants that come to our MaxiCourse that are usually 3 years out, or had been out for 30 years, and they're just kind of bored with just doing standard dentistry, and now they got into implants. So our oldest participant is 65, and he's looking at practicing another 8 years. So if he practices another year, it doesn't matter. The point is that he's happy. Like, I just had a conversation today, and he's planning on implants on other patients. So he's been doing it every week. It'll just wake you up and make you love the profession again. All right. So I'm Implant Mike. I'm Dr. Mike Calderon, and join us. And you always see me go like this, peace. All right. And I always shake these big cheeks. Shake them. Shake them. Ciao.